This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This message is broadcasted by the Global Emergency Alert System. A rogue planet is in a collision course with Earth. Please remain calm. Scientists at NASA, ESA, CSA, and JAXA have noticed a rogue planet the size of Pluto heading towards Earth. This planet has been dubbed Pulto due to its many similarities with Pluto. It is estimated that Pulto will enter within the Moon's orbit in 3 months, and because of this, it is advised to start preparing to evacuate by stocking up on supplies. If you live or are on the shore, please evacuate inland as the gravitational pull of Pulto will double the effect of high tide, and that would flood any coastal towns or cities. A rogue planet is coming to Earth. You have 3 months to prepare for evacuation. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This message is broadcasted by the Global Emergency Alert System. A rogue planet has entered within the Moon's orbit. Please remain calm. Scientists at NASA, ESA, CSA, and JAXA have detected that a rogue planet, Pulto, has entered within the Moon's orbit. High tides are now doubled in size and have already flooded many coastal towns and cities. It is now time to evacuate. Please evacuate to the nearest bunker to you. Visit www.escapepulto.com to know the location of the nearest bunker to you. A rogue planet is coming to Earth. Evacuate to the nearest bunker now. This is not a test.
I repeat, test. This message is broadcasted by the Global
Emergency Alert System. Please remain calm.
The internet is down. All attempts to put it back up have failed.
Pulto will enter the Roche limit of Earth in the 10th of hours. When Pulto enters the
Goodbye.